Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where you keep getting this error message on Snapchat where it keeps telling you, oops, Snapchat is a camera app, and it shows you that weird emoji and says to continue, you'll need to allow camera access in settings. Now, this is the thing, right? Whether you have an iPhone or Android, you can get the same exact pop-up. So what I would recommend doing in this specific situation is really just to allow camera access to your specific Snapchat app. And this is a very basic thing to do. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your iPhone settings panel. So it's going to bring you to a page like this. I think most of us have seen it. All we want to do is scroll down until we see the Snapchat application right there. So you can see all your other applications. You want to go and click on Snapchat and you'll come into this specific panel. Now all you will have to do here is go ahead and find the little camera toggle. Now watch what happens, right? When I go back into Snapchat, you can see I continue to get this little pop-up. As soon as I go back into my settings panel, and if I go ahead and just enable this camera application thing right there, watch what happens. Once I scroll back, that option goes away, and now I have access to my full-on camera. So I can take a photo if I want to, I can take a video if I want to, and that's really all you'll have to do. There's really not much else to it. Now there can be some situations where you do that, you allow the camera access, but the app still gives you that pop-up. Well, in that specific case, what you'll have to do is you'll have to update Snapchat most likely. So what you want to do is you want to go into your app store again. You want to type in Snapchat just like this. So type in Snapchat, and all you want to do is update the Snapchat application. There can be many times where this little pop-up will come up, and all you have to do is just update Snapchat, and that probably should fix it too. Now, for some reason that doesn't work either, another thing I would recommend doing is to see if Snapchat is down. So you can make your way over to websites like downdetector.com or some other websites like that, even the comment section of this video, and all you want to do is go ahead and double check that Snapchat isn't actually down, because if it's down, you're just going to have to wait it out. But if it's not down, then it may be a network connection problem on your side. You may have to reinstall Snapchat. You can also see if there's another update available, but typically those are the main ways to go ahead and fix this specific issue. If you have any other questions or thoughts, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.